Do you have trouble writing a good Tinder bio? Then keep watching, because I will help you out. Having a good Tinder bio is the perfect way to stand out between those basic boring bios. A good bio not only makes more people swipe right on you, but can also be a conversation starter. So having a good bio on Tinder is very crucial. A good bio needs a couple of key elements. It needs to be personal, so tell something about your personality. It needs to be original, so not the same as everyone else, and it needs to be funny, since a lot of people think having a sense of humor is very important. You can fill in these three key elements in different ways. For the first one, being personal, you need to tell something about yourself. But remember, you need to be original. So don't just write the basic things that everyone has. Literally every guy on Tinder goes to the gym, and every girl loves food and traveling. Instead, tell something that makes you more unique, like a rare hobby, a special skill you've got, or something you achieved as a kid. If you love to travel, write the most special country you've been to, or the most impressive experience you've had while traveling. Everyone has some things that makes them unique. Just think about it for a minute. If you want to include some basic things as well, that's fine. For example, if you like dogs, you could include it, since a lot of people love dogs. But try to make it more original. Instead of writing, student, love dogs, write something like, student by day, professional dog cuddler at night. And instead of just writing you love pizza and wine, write something like, all you need to lure me in your van is wine and pizza. You could also include a line from your favorite rapper or movie. If you have a special picture, tell the story behind it. You could also write your perfect first date idea. And for the third element, being funny, there are again different things you can do. But again, be original. Don't just copy a standard joke from the internet, because when people already know it, you look unoriginal. So always try to think of something personal, like things that match with your pictures. For example, if your second picture is you and your dog, say something like, I am the one on the left in picture 2. You can use some common techniques, but always personalize it. For example, you could use the so-called fake reviews, where you write some funny quotes from other people talking about you. For example, write things like, the most handsome boy I know, my grandma. Being funny really is key. You don't want your bio to look like a CV. So even if you decide to go for a more serious bio, try to incorporate some kind of joke at the end. For example, when you write, I like, and then list a couple of things, you can include the word, you, at the end. Another technique is writing some funny things about yourself, and then some things you look for in the other person. For example, about me, I love my dog, good food and getting a massage. About you, you love my dog, are a good cook, and are great in massaging. If you really can't think of anything personal, here are some example lines that work quite well. Some people call me Chris, but you can call me tonight. Looking for a reason to delete Tinder. Not looking for anything serious, just a husband or something. It's really hard to be a single dad. That's what I've heard, I don't know, because I don't have children. Or, I'll buy you dinner, if you make me breakfast. Besides following these 3 key elements, here are some other tips you could use as well. Don't list your dislikes or turn-offs, because you can come across as rude. For example, if you write something like, don't swipe right if you have short hair, you can come across as offending, so even people who don't have short hair will swipe left as well. Add some emojis, like when listing your hobbies. Don't overuse them, but just use a few to make things look a bit happier. You could include a question in your bio, so people message you about it. If you are a very tall guy, or are taller than you look on your pictures, you could include your length, because women like tall guys. But be honest about it, because you don't want to disappoint someone when meeting in real life because of false expectations. If you don't just want to list your height because it looks boring, you could write something like, taller than you on heels. This also can challenge women to ask how long you really are. And the final tip is don't make your bio too long. People on Tinder make quick decisions, so don't want to read endless paragraphs. So cut to the chase. These were the best tips for writing a good Tinder bio. If you want other tips for getting more matches, like by understanding the algorithm of Tinder, make sure to check out the other videos on my channel as well, and subscribe plus turn notifications on for more videos like this coming soon. Also don't forget to like this video, and comment below if you got any questions. Good luck on Tinder.